everyone, welcome back to my channel Day 9 Learning English with me. So today's video is very important. We are learning all three tenses in English: present tense, past tense and future tense. So I will explain each tense in very simple way and also give three easy sentences if you can use every day. So let's start learning. First is present tense. What is present tense? Present tense is used for things that happen daily, regularly, or what is always true. We usually used it for daily routines, habits, and facts. And the present tense formula is subject plus verb की first form plus object. Let's take an example. I eat breakfast and I study English. Second topic is past tense. Past tense is used for things that happened yesterday, last night, last week, or any time before now. So formula is subject plus verb की second form plus object. And let's take a example. I went to school. She ate breakfast. Yesterday's actions. Third topic is future tense. Is used for things that will happen after now, like tomorrow or next week. And the formula is subject plus will plus verb की first form plus object. And let's take an example. I will study tomorrow. Second, they will come later. And making a three of them sentence: present tense and past tense and future tense. First is present tense. I'm making a five sentence in present tense. So first is I wake up early, and second is I read a book. Third is I'm making a video on camera. So let's make an example three of them sentence. First is present tense and I am making of five sentence in present tense. I study English every day. I sit on my room and learn. I make a videos daily. I improve slowly. And fifth is I focus on my goal. And another is I watch English videos. And another sentence is past tense and I am making on five sentence also in past tense. I ate the food. I ate my dinner early. I watched a video. I went to the market. I woke up late yesterday. I cleaned my room. They visited me. And another is future tense and let's make a sentence on five sentence on future sentence. I will wake up early. I will learn new words. I will upload a new video. I will talk to my friend. I will drink more water. I will practice speaking daily. I will study English tomorrow. And she will visit me tomorrow. He will call me tonight. They will play cricket. So I am discussing about three of them sentence: present, past, future. So that's it for today, guys. If you watch video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and bye.